Welcome to Aperia, one of Capital Land's many great offerings for your business needs. Let me show you around. Located at the intersection of Lavender Street and Kallang Road, Aperia is an iconic integrated development at the fringe of Singapore's bustling CBD. Cladded with a full glass building facade, Aperia comprises 2 business towers with 3 levels of ANNEX units integrated with a 3-storey retail mall. Within, it provides a wide spectrum of space offerings ideal for software development, e-commerce companies, IT and call centers. The business towers features units with excellent floor plate efficiency, natural light, a welcoming drop-off point, and a dedicated office lobby with security access, offering an enhanced corporate image for companies. The ANNEX block units come with a design akin to modern shop houses too. Located within the development is also the workshop, a community-based collaborative workplace perfect for businesses looking for flexible, plug-and-play spaces. Here at Aperia, there's no lack of dining and retail options. There's also a supermarket for your daily convenience, as well as a variety of lifestyle amenities such as childcare, climbing studio, and fitness studios, along with business centers. Right at the rooftop of the building, there is a swimming pool where tenants can take a breather and enjoy the panoramic view of the Singapore skyline. Meeting and event spaces are also available at Aperia, which are suitable for conferences, exhibitions, seminars, training, and team building events on pay-per-use basis. When it comes to accessibility, Aperia is well connected to public transport where Lavender and Bendemeer MRT stations are just a short 5-minute walk away. It is also easily accessible via Central Penn Island and East Coast Parkway expressways. With a fantastic city fringe address, excellent convenience, and a wide variety of amenities all in one place, Aperia is certainly a location of choice for businesses. For more information on Aperia, please call or drop us an email. We look forward to meeting you in person and giving you a tour of the space.